Hey guys, welcome back to Hot DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm sharing with you some faves. I was blessed with these 6 candles by my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you, babe. So listen, I wanted you guys to know this. I think I'm far beyond, it's past the stage of loving these candles because it seems like every time I get wrapped up in one, because I like to stick to what I know and what I love and what I know works, right? I find something else. So I had found one candle that out of all the ones I've been trying, I said, you know what? This is it. And it was this one. This one here, which is still one of my faves. Then, lo and behold, this became the baby. Like, hands down, nothing can top this, right? So then just recently I shared that they had new fragrances, and these new fragrances were amazing. And as you see, I have white peach cobbler lit in that. Oh my gosh, like I thought that she was it and nothing was going to change that. I thought it. And even before her, I thought that that was it. But then again, I'm like, thank you. Now I have multiple fragrances. I don't have to keep just one. When I say Aldi's has come through, you should already see a video of me sharing with you. I don't know which one will come first. How these light and how long it takes the smell to come out of them. Like, I'm going in depth with these candles because I don't know if I can say it enough or anyone can say it enough. These are hands down way better than Bath and Body Works. And they're for $4.29. You cannot beat that. You cannot beat that. If you are a candle lover, I'm telling you. And these are just the ones that I just got. Those 3 and these 3, right? But we're going to get into, we're going to get into, we're going to get into these bad boys right here. So I fell in love with the white peach cobbler and I had to get some. I got one, bring it home. You see me, it was in the seatbelt and all that good stuff, right? And then I couldn't find any more. So I asked a couple friends to see if they can find them. And they found me 4. Then we went to go look at another Aldi's that I found. And then we found these Sunset Citrus Coconuts. I said, okay, Aldi's is playing with my life and trying to get me to really, really be obsessed with these candles because I am. I am. This white peach cobbler, it emits so much, just like the Rosewater Sangria, just like the Tropical Escape. I've burned a lot of them, but these seem to emit so much. And this house is big. So when I am upstairs in my office, I can smell this candle burning down here on my coffee table. Now we have a new baby. That's this one. And when I tell you, oh my gosh, this smells so good. So good. Oh, it smells so good. I had to grab 2, which were a blessing to me as well. So the 4 were a gift, and then we went and then they bought me those 2 as well. So I'm telling you, if you are new to all these candles, if you are new to the candle loving collection / whatever obsession, you gotta try the Aldi's candle. This candle here has burned for over 10 hours already. And yeah, they burn slow. I've done a video on how to make your candles last longer. I'll try to link the thing in the description on what you need to do to make them last longer. I love these jars because I can always donate them to a school, a shelter, or something where they can utilize them for their little, cotton balls and toiletries and stuff like that. These can be reused in your home, in your pantry for different things. So it's like you're getting a double dose of 2 in 1. But listen, these are my faves. And these are going to be going, well, these were already in the collection, these 2 here. Now those 6 are about to go into the collection of these. I think I have about 5 more of those in there, and it's only one of these. I haven't been able to find any more of those recently. But if you find a candle that you like at Aldi, I'm telling you, get it while you can, because they go. And it's seeming like they're just continuously putting out different fragrances. So I don't know if this will be back. And I'm not sure how long this is going to be around because that's a new one. So I just had to give you a candle update. I'm sorry. Yeah, I love these candles. Yeah, I love them. They are absolutely amazing, amazing, amazing. So share it with friends and family. Share this video and stay tuned for the videos that I will be putting up about the burning of these, how long they burn, just different things about these candles, because if you love your house to smell amazing, I'm telling you, $4.29 and you can have this throughout a couple weeks, because I like to burn my candles several times throughout the day and sometimes throughout the week, and I'll just switch them up and I'll put another candle in and let that burn, and close it up, bring out what I feel like having for that day. So don't think just because you light one you have to use that one consistently. No, sometimes you want to close that up, bring out a different scent, switch it up. All right. I'll see you guys later, Gators. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.